Welcome, my dear friends. This is the age of globalization, age of internet. We are living in a beautiful time, the era of knowledge. We feel the oneness, the nationality, the race, the creed, language, everything is outwitted by certain tools, internet tools like Facebook, Twitter, Orkut, Skype, any other tools, YouTube. Anything is there in front of this computer. Once it is said that the computers may replace the human job, but here the computer has provided tremendous and more than enough, plenty of job opportunities for especially a country like India. We find lakhs and lakhs of people working in software, in back office or like call center. Earlier, if you want to go abroad, you have to go to Dubai or Gulf countries to earn a income of 10,000. But here in India, you can sit and earn for around 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month. You find people are highly computer savvy, internet savvy. Facebook is a media of communicating with one to other. Distance is not bothered. Distance is not counted. Nationality is not counted. With your same likings, you find people of same communities in different parts of the world or here also. One-to-one relationships. You find Facebook. Is it good or is it bad? Facebook, is it good or is it bad? I'm sure everybody, even 5th standard students, 6th standard students, they are members in the Facebook. If you are not a member in Facebook, you are considered to be out of line. So we're just going to start this discussion of finding out what are the advantages and disadvantages of being in Facebook. Not only in Facebook, YouTube, what are the advantages, disadvantages in Twitter, in Orkut, in Skype. So I request everybody to air your views, and I appoint 2 of them as the leaders of this group. What's your name, sir? Please introduce yourself. Take the mic, put on the mic, introduce yourself. Please stand up.
Brajesh Kumar Singh.
Brajesh Kumar Singh. He will be the leader of this group. What is your group is going to speak? Are you going for or against?
We are going for.
For what?
We are going for social networking is good.
Social networking is good. That's what this side is going to speak. Yes, you are the leader of this group. Yes,
Yeah, my name is Aarti. We are going for against the social networking is good.
Aarti. What's her qualification?
I'm a B graduate.
She is a BE graduate and she is going for the topic
Social networking is bad.
social networking is bad. Okay, I request you can come here. You can sit over there. Please pull the chair a bit over right. 1 minute. Bit over. In the position. Yes. Yes, sit down, sit down. Now let us start the discussion and share the mic, man. You can share. Keep it close to your mouth.
Hello friends, here we are to discuss about social networking is good or bad. And my point is, social networking is good. The main motto of social networking was to connect people through all over the world. And in the world of globalization and all, we can connect from Facebook, Orkut, or YouTube, Skype, from all the social networking sites. We can connect ourselves to all over the world, and we know what are they doing, what are their thoughts, in what field they are developing themselves, and we get idea from there and from them, and we develop ourselves according to the situation or the idea they give. And the Facebook, and one more thing about the social networking site, and we are expending lots of money to our entertainment side. We want entertainment in our life, entertainment in any sense. Now here in the Facebook, Orkut, YouTube, we are getting entertained in all manners. So we want to see video, okay, go to YouTube and just click the video name, and you can get the video very easily. And what I used to often, I am a cricket loving guy, and I often used to see what happened in the past, in the past cricketing years, and I often still used to see the videos of 1983 World Cup in India won, 2011 World Cup in India won. And so in Facebook, we can get through old friends, very old friends, we can get and connect to all of them. So in my side, my point is, and our point also is, the Facebook is good in this way. Now please.
Okay, I agree with your points, but what you are saying is communicating people, each other. Yeah, I agree, but the friends who are very close to each other are communicating very secretly like that. But the unknown persons are easily track our things by using the other person's name like that. So easily we are. It seems like high-level rumors and gossips are spread over between that persons. So I think that social networking is bad in these things. Only the close friends are communicate to each other is good for social networking. The other, communicating with the unknown person, is not good. So this is what I'm going to say, that social networking is bad for me. Yeah, please someone.
See, you want to say, please?
Social networking is also there is no privacy for that person. Anyone can share videos, unwanted videos, without the knowledge of that person. So there are some disadvantages in social network. So there is no privacy. This is the matter.
Sorry for the interruption. The privacy is there. If you see in Facebook, there are the privacy.
What is the privacy? Tell me.
If you click on if you click on account, you could see privacy settings.
There's only password settings only.
No.
But you can
I think you are new to Facebook.
share your photos. Anyone can see your photos without of your knowledge. Anyone can see your photos, your videos.
You have some privacy options. You could.
What are the privacy settings?
I will say. Just give me a minute. You could control your post. There is an option called public, private, and even you could share your post to only specific persons. There is some options. I think you are not aware of the options.
Anyone can see your.
No. There is an option. There is some privacy settings. Okay. And also you could. Okay, that's it.
And another thing, we can share any information and we can get any knowledge through the social networking cases. For example, if I want some technical videos, I'll get in YouTube. I'll get easily in YouTube. In current scenario, you studied, for the lot of surgeries are done with the help of the YouTubes. If any, in case of the critical surgeries, are even the heart transplantation can done in Chennai with the help of YouTube, and by using Skype. The doctor is in abroad and he is in UK and US. He assists them. They will do the surgery here. And in technical side, we are getting more information. If, for example, in Facebook, I can get the friends from US, UK, whatever it may be. He may working Ferrari and anything. We have some share my ideas. And another thing, in the recent days, Facebook and social networking plays a vital role in a lot of the things. For example, in the Delhi gang rape, the most awareness created using the social network only. Everybody shows their condoms through that social networking. Without the social networking, I don't think so. It will become just big issues. And even the Lokpal and Elam, so we can show our oppose against anybody.
Yeah, I am agree with your point, but socialist network is not is bad. Many youngsters are affected in social networks. Substance of videos and photos is not personal.
No, it's a negligibly very small amount. Maybe 1 or 2% only.
It's not.
But how many?
More than people are affected in social networks.
There are millions of people, millions and billions of people. No.
20% only what you are saying is 20% only they are.
No.
80%.
No.
How do you know about the youngsters?
No, I have the record.
Okay.
You go.
You think it's safer?
Okay, this is a very negligible. This depending on your attitude and your vision. If you want to use good, but most of the person use bad. If you know, in recent days, if your birthday, how many friends will wish you? For your birthday or any occasions. But how you opposing that?
I know, so only not using Facebook.
Okay, if your birthday or anything, how many people wish you?
Our friends, families.
For only friends, families. But in Facebook, you get a lot of. It will give some pressure to you.
I don't want that.
No, so
Unknown person.
not unknown person. In Facebook, you accept the request. It means you know him.
How you know him?
Yes.
You see him?
No. And why you accepting his friendship? It's not his friend.
Saying you are
He's your friend.
in UK or US like that you are saying na. Then how you know they are in you see do you see him or see her?
Not about he shared my information what I want. If I want about
Believe him.
why can't I believe him?
Then you are
He's going to lie with me? No. We want only sharing the knowledge only. We don't think he's whatever he may be.
that's what I'm coming to say. The knowledge is coming from only 20% the thing or what you are saying.
No.
Percent is
No.
unwanted only.
No.
I hear
For
13.
one small status is there. If you see Facebook accounts, if you see the boys accounts, it mostly with their photos. If you see the girls accounts, it will only with the actors photos, maybe Tamanas, whatever it may be. So girls are going to cheat them, but boys are not like that.
Because girls using their own photos, they may use some unwanted things. That's why the girls do not use their photos.
As I already told, you people didn't aware about. As I already told, you people didn't know about the privacy settings. As you told, you girls need to set your pictures to the audience. There is a public, private, and specific list, and specific people can see what. What about YouTube? About YouTube, if you need a reference, you are going to YouTube. Yes, it's there. You just click the share button. It asks you for where to share it, even it is in Facebook or Twitter. there is some options there. I think you are not aware about Facebook, so it's better to.
But
It's not. Many more crackers வந்து நெட்ல இருக்கு.
Why you people go for those types of links?
I don't know.
If you don't know about the link, you are not supposed to click on the link.
The boys also changed their name as a girl.
That's their wish. You people
and,
need to find who.
Put their photo as a girl. So they have been cheated.
Why you are going for that? If you know a person, you just accept it. If you don't know strangers, you are not supposed to.
They request to.
Yep, that's bad thing. Why you people go there? Why you people use that? You can reject that. Even you can use the option ignore.
We don't know who are girl, who are boy. We don't know.
Yep, that's what I'm saying.
We accept the
Okay.
friendship. They spoil. They
Yep. Once you are
unwanted things. They question.
there is an option called block. You use that option. You can use that person to block, and you can't able to send even the message or anything. As I already told you, you people are not aware about some privacy of it.
Many friends are like that. Many friends are like that.
Yep, many friends are like that. Even so many strangers are there in Facebook. You people need to accept who you know, and you need to block who you don't know. So it's about the girls thing, okay?
So actually, what she's saying is there's a possibility, right? There's a possibility for misusing the names, the wrong profile name, right? So actually, I have some discrepancies with my friends, what they spoke just now. As he said, even though we have privacy settings in Facebook, I know about you. So just 2 or 3 months back only, we people, as we educated, I know I mean you done with BTech. So most of them with less knowledge, even school going children with knowledge like 10th standard or 12th standard, they are using Facebook. Even after several years only, we just came to know there's a settings called privacy settings in Facebook. And of course, I'm agree with you. We have privacy settings in Facebook. Even though we are having, there's a chances for taking the display picture alone and morphing faces with some other face, and there's a possibility for misusing that particular girl's photos among the world. So of course, as he said, yes. So with regarding to YouTube, it's helping us to get some technical details in YouTube, and of course, in most cases, while we are searching for a particular technical detail video in YouTube, we could see a lot of some unwanted pop-up videos over there in the right hand side of the video. So because of that, I could not able to do a knowledge-based search with my family. If my family members are seeing, means they think that I'm doing some illegal activities, right? So and of course, as you said, Facebook and other kind of the social networking site are used to connect people throughout the world. Yes, you are right. But the thing is, not only the good people are using, but also bad people like terrorists also using the same social networking to share to extend their network, and they're doing some illegal activities like bomb blasting kind of things. And of course, as he said, yep, the Delhi that girl matter. Because of that Facebook only, we just got lot of awareness. Yeah, you're right. And of course, to let you know, we have a similar incident which happened in Tamil Nadu also, but you people never use Facebook to bring that matter to limelight, right? So yes. So I just want to answer for all these questions.
Actually, you're talking about the terrorist network using the Facebook. You know about the Operation Geronimo done by SEAL, I think assaulting the Osama bin Laden.
Yeah.
You know how they caught that? How they get the lead?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, as you said, with the help of technology only, they just came to know
No.
how they.
Actually, their network is working with the social Facebook only.
Yeah.
Okay, for that, using that Facebook only, they will cut it. We have all settings.
Yeah, actually they got it.
No,
using Facebook.
we can not only
Done
Facebook.
it using the same social network only, right?
No, they are easily cotton. They are easily cotton because it's based on server. We can't cut anything.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yes.
you said you're right. Yeah.
We induce them to use it.
Yeah, but I agree with you. But
Yes, that's why I say.
social networking has given him the chance, right?
No, actually-
only he did that.
Actually, they used to do that.
Actually-
They didn't know they will cut, but they think they are safe. But even the terrorists are
Should actually-
but now that using the cyber crimes, we can easily.
right?
No, it's inducing them.
This
It's inducing to use
only
them.
paid way to the terrorists to bomb a black.
No.
With the social networking site only, they did it.
But-
With email kind of thing, they just use encryption technology and they just send an email.
No. We are.
Yep, I'm not sure about it. Yeah. You said, yeah, as you said,
Yep, I accept with this. But if you want to stay protected, you guys need to play the temporary files.
yeah, actually, all people here, what we are saying is, there's a chance, right? You are saying you are saying that you have to use this thing now to prevent.
Yes.
I'm saying there's a chance to do that. Because of that only, we are.
No, not to prevent. There is an option. You see, if the rumors are.
Without that social network, we can't do, right? We can't
Yes.
it's not possible for anyone to do some illegal activities. Then only we are going for privacy setting kind of things. There's a settings tool, whatever it may be. But these
Yep,
social
see, the rumors are
right?
connected to you using the links that you are seen so far. So you guys need to clear the temporary and the history files. Without this,
I agree with you. I think you didn't get my point. What I'm saying is, you are saying after the event has happened. I'm saying it has. The social networking has paved way to a lot of illegal activities, right? And then only, as you said, we can delete all the histories and all those kind of privacy matters. All those things can be done after that only, right?
Yes, I agree with this, but I am saying for the future is.
Yeah. As you said, yeah, I agree with you. In the future, we can prevent, but all these things we can come to know only after we get affected, right?
Okay, but you told that suppose if I am a student and I am doing bad posting, so I am getting also disappointed about this, that why I will post the bad things. So if you tell that everybody used a bad poster and some cartoon type poster, so if a good person, they won't do that type of things. So how can you say that it's a negligible amount that you can say that it's only happening?
Actually, yeah, you said, yeah, it's depend on the good person and bad person.
So for a negligible amount, you can't say Facebook should be
we are not
banned.
talking about the good person and bad person, right? It's about the social networking. So social
Yeah.
networking as the way for the people who is good and of course for the person who is bad. So it gives a way for both the peoples, both the good people and of course the evil people.
Yes, so it's a negligible amount, you can say that. And also Facebook, it should get, suppose any software launch like Facebook or Orkut, you are getting good opportunity to job. You can say lakhs of students are getting job in Facebook and Orkut and
Yeah, but
Google account.
that's a good thing. Yeah, I agree with you. Right now, I'm talking about the disadvantages that we are facing.
Yeah, and you also told 10th standard and 12th standard students should not take part in or log in Facebook. But if they are getting good knowledge in Facebook, that is some technical ideas. In YouTube, they got how to engine construction and
Yeah,
some
that's
more.
right, man. That's why I already told you that. That's why I also.
So you told that suppose a bad person can posted the bad thing, so they get also disappointed. So anybody they want that I will get disappointed by posting all these things. And one thing, how many of you joined Facebook? I think most probably
I have
always.
also Facebook, okay.
Okay.
For Facebook, main is for especially for women, okay. Without knowing them, few people creating their IDs, their accounts, they're posting their photos, they're abusing photos as they're posting it. Okay, and for children also, they're getting some spam mails, some spam posts. Due to that, they are impacting on children, kids also.
So then you are accepting that friend request. So Facebook should be, suppose you post that post only that person you can say that you accepted your friend request. There is some security setting you can security as only close friend or only one person I can see. That is only. How you can say that if I share everyone can see? No one can see. Only you can see.
Whatever posting, whoever is accessing their Facebook, they can see their what they're posting, how they're chatting, everything. Each and every message they can read it. Okay. No, the messages whatever they're posting. No, we can see the messages.
It's not even, it's talking about wall posts.
Posting, updation. It's not called message. See, whenever there is a good, such a good things, definitely someone go against him. So our responsibility that we have to protect himself. Okay. So suppose we make a home, the good home. So somebody want to go inside. Okay, go to inside your home. For if you keep your property. Very important property in the home, so somebody want to track this property, so you should save yourself, keep safe your property. Similarly in Facebook, if you created an account, so first you get knowledge get full knowledge about how to create Facebook, how to protect our.
Who can get the full knowledge? Only professionals will get the
Professional.
Only professional will get the full knowledge. Okay.
Suppose
what are the rest of
suppose we don't have
women and
suppose
kids,
we don't know how to
just like
create.
that for curiosity, for hype, they are creating a Facebook and they are getting messages.
No. This mistake is whose?
Without knowing them also, few accounts are got created. Okay, later they can come to know.
Okay, suppose you making some food or some anything. If you don't have any knowledge about it, if you make that food, this food is waste. Without knowledge, if you make anything, this waste, and you will now
Cooking food is different and mastering food is different.
Everything. If you make something like Facebook account, like home, anything, if don't have any proper knowledge about that things, so anybody can track you easily. So first, don't blame anyone. First, you secure yourself first. Okay. This.
You are wrong. If you know how to light the stove, we can cook anything. Okay.
That's I told you should have proper knowledge about Facebook. Then you got to
I'm saying
create
the children, the women and the kids know how to log in the Facebook.
Yeah.
So they can create the account and they do some things. Okay. That's what I'm saying. You're saying now food like that.
Also,
if you know how to
make
light the stove,
yeah.
you can boil the water itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Though I know then if I don't know how to boil water, what temperature boil water, how many, what time.
It may go wrong. So it's a other part.
Okay.
But you know how to light the stove, right?
Yeah, I know. That's why I cook. I know that's why I
That's
cook.
what I'm saying. If the kids know how to log in the account, they can
Log in not first. Login is second, but first you have to create account.
Okay. If they know how to
first
create
see
account,
instruction. What is instructions? Whatever you write in Facebook, they record. All data you have record. The first read all instruction what they written in instruction. Then you make Facebook.
We don't want to read that instructions.
Why?
If we give next, we'll go to the next page. Okay.
Suppose you are filling any form to engineering. What is your first point? You will study instruction.
That is the
Anything.
qualifications. Okay.
Nowadays, who is reading the instructions? Who knows? For example, you are creating a account. Are you going to read all the agreements, all the steps?
Yeah.
You are going to read it?
Obviously we are reading.
No one.
Unless we will get. Then it's
simply they will agree. They will submit it. They will create account.
Then it's my appointment that I will finally, if finally any bad will, that is my problem.
Read the instruction only to apply for the exam. Okay.
Yeah. Because we are not reading because we know all these things that this is up to this, up to this, up to this. That's why we will not then like okay. This is correct.
So how much?
Because you already know that this is up to this only.
How much percentage is not getting benefited? That is what we need to think at. Okay, the percentage people are. See, so without knowing our knowledge, so something people are posting in our wallpaper. Okay, some apps automatically they will post in our wallpaper. That is happening for many of the users, not only for one or two.
Actually, it happened to me also. One fine day, my boss called me at 12 a.m. That's midnight in India. So he just called me and asked me what you have posted in the Facebook. I mean, so I just logged into the Facebook and I saw some adulterated videos shared in the name of myself. So I got shocked after seeing that. Right?
Say every coin has its two faces. If there is a good thing, then definitely there will be bad thing. But you cannot judge only on the basis of bad things.
The way
We
I have
have a lots of thing in the favor of Facebook, in the favor of YouTube. As you told that in YouTube, when you are going to log in something, in the right hand side, there coming something is coming. Suppose if you are going to log Miss Jay Lalita or Mrs. Anything Jay Lalita, the related video will come. You know what is Lalita in Parliament, Jay Lalita in Tamil Nadu, Jay Lalita in Delhi, Jay Lalita in somewhere. Then wait, never will come. No, definitely related to Jay Lalita will come.
Have you tried this?
Yeah,
To Jay,
yeah. I have tried so many times. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar in India, only related to Sachin Tendulkar comes.
And actually,
Second.
while searching for some general kind of information, as you said, for searching Sachin Tendulkar and all, we can get all the Sachin related information. Whereas, as you said, while searching for Jayalalitha and all, we can get only the parliamentary information. We can get some scandal videos along with the parliamentary information. I had experienced this.
No, that's what I am saying. If there is good thing, definitely there will be some bad things.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
you,
absolutely right.
but you need to accept this bad thing.
Wait,
You are respecting that bad
the
thing.
good things. You have to accept our bad things, okay?
Yeah,
What we are
No, that's
saying,
what I am
you
saying.
accept
That's what I am saying. If there is good
that
thing, definitely
you
there will be
accept
some bad
what we
thing.
are saying.
No, but the thing is, the good thing is much higher than the bad thing.
How you are saying that one?
Actually, I just want to answer for all the bad things that I have mentioned just before, right? So, have you people answered me all the bad things that I have mentioned just before?
Yeah, I think all of us have such a fighting.
I didn't think so.
Can you repeat, sir, one more time, please?
How many times can I repeat?
Okay. And then my friend will tell you.
You are not an issue person. As you said, you are educated. Okay. You need to know about some advanced options that
Yes, that
is used in each and every site.
mention.
As you already said,
It's not used by only the educated people. I mean, the highly educated people, even the homemakers, the 10th standard to 12th
so avoid that you need to use some advanced options. There is some options.
all of them
to
are
block
using
up.
the Facebook. You see, at the initial stage, no one can be mastered the social networking, right? After using some period of time, then only we can came to know about what are the options are there, how can we set the settings and all. Within that period of time itself, we got affected by all the illegal activities.
Yeah. When you get a struggle, you need to find a solution to solve that.
So you are accepting, right? There's some
Yeah, there are
disadvantage, right?
some changes are there. They are spreading that.
That's what.
But you guys need to avoid how to stop that. So in order to avoid
Actually,
that,
what the topic here is facial networking, whether it will pay way for bad activities, right?
but you are speaking about YouTube.
Social networking,
Social networks.
YouTube, all the things are
Yeah,
common.
that's why I'm talking about. So as an educated guy, you need to know about how to use the every sites.
It spoils an uneducated person also.
No, I'm not saying like that. I said you need to know how to
So
use
you
the advanced
have to
options.
say only educated people only use social networks only. Yeah.
Yep, you are getting. I know that.
What did it? Only for educated people. So how many people are knowing about full? We have advanced option there. We can restrict.
They need to search. They need to search in search engine.
See, first you
If you want a solution, you need to search something.
no one will be master until unless if you know the
Search
full
engine
address of
is
this person.
different.
When can we search for a solution? After being affected, right?
Yep.
Only after being affected, only we can.
Not all the browsers are doing the same thing.
Actually, as you said, you know about the privacy settings. May I know when you came to know about the privacy settings in Facebook?
When I'm affected, I could go and search.
Right? You got affected.
But so far, I am not affected.
Yeah, that's why we are saying because of social networking, we are all affected, right?
Because you guys are going to some
only that is we are searching for a solution, and then only we can using it accordingly, right?
Yep, it's based on the person that you are using. Okay.
Right. Each and every person after.
Not all the persons are affecting. Can anyone say anyone now?
Excuse. You know, say the educated people's doing the hackings. doing hackings, because he said that secured given for option is the same option, and secured all are destroyed, and they will take all the information. They are publishing all the ugly things, ugly photos, ugly videos. Suppose you are searching the YouTube or you are searching Facebook, using the simultaneous virus also affected your system. Unwantedly, the data are collected. They collected. That's all for educated persons who are doing only.
Does not happen. Hacking and virus not happen only in social networking. Even you can check your mail also. You will get the same.
One thing.
I can hack your mail.
Your Facebook and YouTube you are using without your knowledge, spreading virus, and given some programs, taking all the datas, and your system also spoiling.
No, hacking.
So
Hacking is when even some bank accounts are hacking.
that is
Yes.
that is that is a educated fellows can
percentage is
do
very
it.
high during the hacking and spreading the virus while doing the social network. Okay.
Social networks.
No.
So
See, without knowing your knowledge itself, few things will be posted automatically. So suppose if you are open to Facebook parallelly, if you are browsing something else, whatever you are interested, automatically get it posted. That was how happened for me also.
you are thinking it's good. Just you click that open. You are without your knowledge, you are affected your system also, your data also.
No, but knowing all these things, still we are
No.
using. But knowing all these things, still we all are using Facebook, Gmail, YouTube, and all. That means you all accept that.
See, Gmail and Yahoo is not Facebook.
Okay, just remove. Just forget about you. Forget.
Facebook, Twitter. Okay.
Forget about YouTube. But you all are, except the dear lady, or you all are the Facebook users, YouTube users, and Twitter. No, Twitter is not. You all are Facebook and YouTube users, huh? We are right. Everybody here, sir, also is a Facebook or YouTube user. That means, with some disadvantage, we all are accepting the disadvantage, and we are looking for only the advantage of the things. Right? That means you all are agreeing with that point. That is, disadvantage is less,
No.
and advantage is superior.
It's not like a.
If disadvantage is high, then why you are using? That's what I am saying. You cannot judge a thing. You cannot judge a thing only on the basis of negative thing. You need to think about. You need to analyze about the positive part.
Our topic is socially bad or not. In socially, we are able to see, we are able to study, we are able to improve using only 10%. Only bad things is using so many persons in public.
No, it's upon us. No, we have so many facilities. We have so many. It's upon us. How in what manner in what manner we are using? We have so many facilities.
How many
In what
percent
manner we have atomic bombs? We have atomic bombs.
It's not about manner.
How many percent using advantage?
That is manner, na? This is manner. Posting bad things in the Facebook account is a bad manner.
That means social networking will never pay way for a bad thing.
Definitely, but I'm saying it has bad thing, but still it is acceptable.
That bad
Still,
thing
man is accepting it.
Most
Or
of person
Facebook is the
things.
yeah.
Most of person is using bad things for 75%.
It's not like accepting. It's compromising. Okay. There is a difference between
Compromising.
considering. Okay.
No, I think entertainment is not related
It's
to
not
compromising.
entertainment.
Facebook is one of the most entertaining site of the world.
It's not like entertainment.
No.
Okay.
Facebook is the
It's
most.
not only for entertainment. Okay. This is for.
What? No. You are correct. Your leader is accepting it.
I'm telling you, it's not only for entertainment. I didn't say it's not entertainment. It's not only for entertainment. There are many things also there.
That's what I'm saying. It's many useful things. You can see news, ASAC, India TV, NDTV, and all the musical things you can get there. You have apart from that.
There are also bad things.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
If you go and check it, the percentage of good things and bad things in Facebook, the percentage will be a graph. If you check the graph, percentage will be high and advantage will be low.
How many times
But-
you got affected from Facebook?
See, if you affect it once, okay. If you do cannot, sometimes you cannot recover also. Okay, that's enough.
You are using from how many years Facebook? Tell me. How many years from you are using?
Yes, the Facebook introduced, tell me.
Yeah, about
10, na?
10 years above.
It's recently introduced, man.
Okay, 5 years ago, okay.
1 to 2 years only. Okay.
If you're going to learn for cooking, you can easily get hurt with your hand.
you can easily get hurt with heat. You have to learn that how to start the stove without getting hurt. That's the same thing with the social networking site. There is a good thing and there is a bad thing. You have to see that the good things how the social networking site is going to lead in a good way. If you are going to see it in a bad way, you will use it in a bad manner only. All the things, not only in the social networking site, all the even the internet, Google. If you search a wrong thing, it will show the wrong thing only. It's up to you, up to your mindset, how you are seeing the social networking site and how you are utilizing it.
Okay, now you tell me which one will attract more, either good one or bad one for kids or for youth?
It's depend upon you.
For youth.
If you are going to search for some knowledge purpose,
especially for youth, which one more attract you?
if a guy is studying in a college, he is searching about a course.
Correct.
He
Now,
will search about only the course, not about the other things.
Now go and research it. Okay, for all the college students, which one they are going to googling or they are going to access it?
So whole internet is, you are saying that whole internet is leading to a wrong way.
It's not that internet. For social networking.
Not only the social networking site, even all the websites are doing the same thing. You can easily get affected by virus in Google, not only in a social networking site.
But
so not only you can blame that. That's what I'm saying. Bad thing is in all. It's all over the internet. It's up to you, up to your mindset, how you are facing it. If you want to take
the percentage is very high. The percentage
if a percentage is very high, all the sites must be blocked. It cannot be used.
No, they cannot be blocked. They cannot be blocked.
Why? Bad thing is not bad. So
How many companies having a Firefox?
Okay.
If you are working in an MNC company,
Okay.
there will be a Firefox firewall. If you start searching in a bad mode or if you are looking for some adult content, it will automatically block that. You can block all over that.
They can't
But
block
Facebook can be used at the time.
They cannot be blocked for all the things. Okay, whatever they known only they can block it. For rest of things still they can access it.
How they come to know that's a bad thing? How they are blocking that?
The bad thing without knowing also the pop-up will come. Okay. For good thing it pop-up will never come. Okay.
In Google you have not seen the Google ads and all. You have not seen any Google ads while opening a Google page. First itself it will show that ads by Google, ads by Google. Have you ever anyone clicked that ads by Google? No. Just try it and then you will come to know. It's all the pop-up. All the virus can commit in that way. That's my point. It's up to you. It's up to our mindset. How you are going to take that social networking site. We are looking at it in a good manner. So for our side, it's a good thing. If you are looking at it in a bad manner, it may lead to your. That's what. If you are saying that bad thing is a higher percentage, it will lead to the bad thing only.
To socially, suppose our family is sitting to try good things. I click it that message. By pop-up, it's come bad things also.
Why you are clicking?
I am clicking good things. I'm clicking.
If you are clicking a good thing, it won't lead to a bad thing.
Good messages. It will come pop-ups, many more pop-ups in bad things.
If you open a Mozilla Firefox or a Google Chrome, it will ask the pop-up will be blocked. If you want to show the pop-up, there is a setting. You have to learn
I
that.
know all the settings also.
If you block the pop-up,
it will come.
nothing will come. No pop-up will come.
No. By ad is so many ads is available. I am sitting.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm sitting
These ads and all, it can be blocked.
My family settings. I want to search in particular things in good messages. It showing bad things also so much. In social network, what is use?
See,
In social network, what is
see,
use?
as the technology is,
Bad things.
Give me a minute to talk.
Most available.
give me a minute to talk.
That is social networks. Bad things. is
Give me a
most
second
available.
to talk at least.
What knowledge you are going to get it in the social network? Tell me.
See, as the technology is updating, growing up, you persons need to stay updated.
All the
Okay.
technology you can Google it and you can get it, right?
See-
Whatever technology is, you can Google it, you can get it. What is the main advantage you can get it in the social network? Tell me.
See, you can search for any content which we are not having a solution.
Where? In Facebook?
No, I'm talking about search engine.
Huh?
Which one you are talking about?
I'm talking about other Google link. Social network. I'm
You are
talking
talking about Google it. I'm just replying. for
social
that.
network. What are going to get benefited?
You can communicate to your friends, chatting.
Through mail you can do it.
Okay.
Through mail you can do it.
Then why you are going for Facebook? Why you are creating
What I'm
account in
asking.
Facebook?
That's what I'm asking.
See, it's based on the person that you are using.
You said there are many advantages in Facebook. I'm asking you why are you going for Facebook? See, there are many disadvantages. I'm not going for Facebook.
Mr. Sadab, stand up, please. Hello. I want to come your point. You told if I click on YouTube, there if I will click find Jayalalitha, will then all Jayalalitha comes. Oh, if any you want to come, then it's showing bad thing and good thing. If we need bad thing, we will go bad thing. If we will need good thing, we will go good thing. Why should I will go bad thing? Why? And you are talking about
Not going for intentionally for bad things, okay? It's not for intentional. But automatically the pop-up.
my friend is talking. My friend is talking about.
No, without knowing our knowledge itself, the pop-up is coming. It's opening the pages.
Yeah. Then I am using YouTube. Then I should have knowledge about what is bad and what is good. Then I should have go good thing. No, why I should click on bad thing?
You know need to click. You know need to click it. You know need to click it.
Yeah.
Without knowledge, your knowledge itself, that automatically will come out.
Yeah. They are showing only. Then we can't
Going for a good thing and bad thing is a second matter.
Yeah.
I just meant for there's a chance, right? It had created a way. I mean, it had created a space for any person to go for a bad thing. For that only I just mentioned, it's not going for a good thing or bad thing. I'm just saying it had given a chance, a space for people to go for bad things.
And you are talking about
Okay, I accept. Facebook is most important, okay? But suppose how many members are working for employee this side? How many members are linked in websites?
All of them.
Are you in?
Yep.
That's a good website. The Facebook is not only the.
Actually, we are here to talk about.
That's a social network. It's a good advantage.
Now he's just talking about the pop-up that appears while searching for something, right?
Huh?
Actually, if you go to in public any social means, everything is there. In whether it's advantage or good or also. Somebody's needs advantages, somebody's needs something. That is actually you mentioned that not good, something bad, something like that. Actually, whatever we records, you can get it from there. Huh?
Do you agree with the bad things that I mentioned?
I'm agreed with the bad thing, but I am supporting with more advantage in that social network.
Yep. Then actually, I'm not talking about the people who are in search for bad things, right? I'm not talking about the people who are in search for bad things. We are here. I mean, we are talking about a person who is looking for a good thing. Instantly, it happened to look for some bad things, right?
Actually, if you are using in private site means you can expect 100% in good things also. If you go to somewhere in public or there is social network means some disadvantage also it will come.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, man.
Yeah, I'm not. We are percentages you are telling.
Actually, this topic comes. Do you know why? Since all people, some of the people, most of the people got affected by the social networking side. That's why this topic arises.
Actually, Facebook in the social network they didn't mention that everything is good only. So don't please come something they didn't mention.
That's it, yeah.
Then where go to Facebook?
It's not about the people. Yeah, it's not about
telling something like that. Uneducated people, educated people means.
It's about the social networking. Whether we'll get affected by using social networking or not. That's the matter, right? It's not about the rules and regulation. It's not about the.
Before using anything, you can definitely know that about that. That's why without knowing knowledge means you can use it means some bad disadvantage also it will come.
People are not talking about the highly secure things that are in the Facebook or social networking things.
Not only this, yeah. If you're watching TV means
only after being affected.
If you in case talking about Facebook and YouTube, if you are watching TV means some advertisement, bad advertisement, ugly advertisements also account.
Yep.
Then why you switch off the TV? It's not possible, na.
I don't know what is that. Actually, we'll now go for.
I have to ask one question. You had a Facebook account?
Yeah.
Did you think any bad thing?
Yeah, just actually,
Did you tell anything bad?
yes, man. Actually, by in the name of my profile.
No.
Yeah,
I not asking you are affected. You did any bad thing?
That created a bad impression on me, right? By my boss.
No. I am.
But my knowledge it happened.
right? We don't go intentionally for bad things. Okay.
Okay. If you.
Someone is posting in the.
Okay. Still you having account?
Actually, I just deleted the account, and my boss called me again, and he just asked me to use that. I'm just using it for the namesake. That's it.
Oh, you are bossing self-driving.
It's searching for good things. Actually, you have to see that. That's what I mean to say. Why you are searching a good thing in Facebook? That's what.
It's not about only the Facebook.
No.
Social networking.
Social network. Sorry. You are going to search a good thing in social networking websites. At the time only you are getting affected by a bad thing.
Yeah.
So basically, good thing is high in social networking sites. That's why you are all searching it in.
That's why still you are
Okay.
trying Facebook only.
So minimum amount is bad thing. That is only affecting
What
you.
is the main advantage? Tell me.
Main advantage in not only in Facebook, in social networking site, in YouTube, if you will find whatever you want. Whatever, all the good things. If you want to cook something, if you want to read something, if you have a problem in laptop, whatever you need, you can find that.
Similarly, we could find all the bad things, right?
That's what.
We could find all the bad things as well. If there is no bad things and all, then why we are there?
But the percentage.
Actually, more advantages in this Facebook. Then only still all are using Facebook only. Otherwise, everybody is close that account.
Sorry, my friend. I think most of the sites will have bad
You will never use Facebook.
compared to the good things.
Actually, I have 5 different accounts in different sites, and in different sites in Facebook one Sangram page, according to its use. In OA page I am getting different types of groups around for the like politics and other things, and in Facebook I am generally using for subscribing and collecting the other things like news and job related things that I have subscribed in other things. That these are the things I have got advantage in this, but once I got hacked, but that I have I got out of that. And if you how we are using that's the point, that is the way, is how we are using this, that how we are using our sites, it depends upon us what is our mentality while using this. And according to our needs only we are using our networking sites and social networking.
So I am giving one example. From that you will understand that is it good for bad. Suppose you are driving a car, you got an accident. So will you stop to drive car or not?
That is different. I will tell you an example.
That is same. Suppose you are doing
I will ask
Facebook.
something. So are you vegetarian? 1 second. Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Yes. Yes. Tell me.
Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am non-vegetarian.
Okay. There are some pulkas and some dal curry. Other side, you have some chicken fried rice, prawn fry, and chicken tandoori. What do you like?
That's the going beyond the
It's for good for health.
Yeah.
And other thing is bad for health. It will have more cholesterol.
No.
One side, let me come here. No, it's oil fried.
Is good for.
Oil fried. Okay. Oil fried. No. The chicken fried rice has more cholesterol. No. More.
Debating.
So
I have given one example that
that will attract us. Automatically that will attract us. Same thing like social networking. Correct. See, 1 second. Same thing in social networking also. The people will good thing will not attract it. Okay. Well, bad things will not attract it.
See, hello. Not good for health. saying that non-veg is not.
It's not like not good for.
See,
Vegetarian is good for.
Not vegetarian.
okay, guys, listen, I'm giving one example. Okay, suppose you want to buy something like a chocolate. Okay, you go to one shop. What do you buy? You see that front of you cigarette packet. Okay, what do you buy? Chocolate buy or cigarette buy? You chocolate buy.
The smokers will cigarette.
No, you what you buy? See,
Smokers will buy cigarette.
okay. Similarly, if you something search on YouTube, what is suddenly come out lots of video. What do you see? That video, what do you want to see, or other video want to see? What I want video that must see. So why going other video? See, this is YouTube server. YouTube server. See, YouTube server. No, YouTube server. They have different types of customer. So in shopkeeper, when you go and ask something, you have. They told I don't have. They write the customer what that customer what they need and write and bring that. That similarly YouTube. They sometimes you search in YouTube or Google, they show not result found. Okay. Similarly, they keep that what you want. Okay.
If you are adult, you know this is good or bad.
We buy what we want, not other thing. Okay.
Yes, if you are adult,
This server they keep all things. Okay.
Actually, I told in YouTube, if you search everything, come in thumbnail view only. If you want to view, you have to maximize and play the video. If you don't want to, it's a bad thing.
I completely agree with you. That
You see the thumbnail view, it's
if you are
bad.
adult, you know this is a good thing, this is a bad thing, right? If it is a child, how you can know, right?
No, you have to propose
It's a
it.
good or right. If it is adult, yeah, as you said, we are all adult people, so we know this is a good thing, this is a bad thing. We need to go to this. We are not supposed to see this. If it is children, how does the children?
But children not only affected by the social networking, even you have the net also.
Not only right.
You have net also.
You are affected.
No.
So you are accepting children are affected by social networking, right? So you are accepting.
How you are using?
I'm just talking about the children, man. Yeah, children doesn't know, right? Kids doesn't know.
It's not children's fault. Their parents are going
The parents cannot secure the children in 24 hours. Okay, they can go to a browsing center, they can browse it. Okay. The thing is, the children easily the bad things will more attracted by children. Easily attracted. The good things will not attracted. That's what I want to say.
Children they won't learn from computers or laptop because now it is not right time. Now in 10 years child, okay, they will go out, they will play, they will communicate with others like that. Every time he will depend with the computer, somebody they will think he don't know anything, he won't come out, like this they will think. In parents also they will work like that. Okay, that person also, that child also, he don't know how to use laptop also. But he will see some photos like that. That is good or bad, he don't know, but he will use. But it is my point, it is wrong, like that I'm thinking.
The children who doesn't know about the adult, then how come he's telling that he going to affected by that bad video?
Because he don't know. Actually, he learn from his school. Okay, he came to he come to home. He will see. Okay, it is computer or laptop. He will say. Okay, he will click something. Some bad will become. Okay, he don't know. He will see. He will say some parents. They will also think what is see. Okay, they will see what he's thinking like that. Okay, he doesn't know how to use computer also.
Actually, I think it's wrong. Without knowing about the computer, we not supposed to give a
He
computer
will
to our
play
children.
some games from the computer and laptop. He will search, so he will see some bads.
Yep. Actually, we have many things. There is advantages in that.
That child, how he know? How he know? How he know?
You need to talk to your children where to use, which to use and
What?
which to not use.
10 years, not okay.
Is it happened in
He
your
will
home?
study in degree like that. He will learn. Okay, that time he knows. Okay, how to use, how to learn.
So is it happened in your home?
Yeah, it has happened. My children always he's using computer. Okay, my mother-in-law they won't allow. Why you seeing computer like that? They won't allow.
Okay,
they will mind change.
It's
They will
happened,
mind
okay.
change.
So
Okay, the kids how should they will use?
It's happened, okay. So you need to avoid it in the future. So you need to go for the ones that you said before.
That unwanted things that children.
There are extensions there. You need to block some sites.
Children is also slowly mentality. It is fully learned, not learned. It is some websites is going to children's some ads, bad habits, likes to know. That picture says scenes children says accept and future is affecting some bad things is happen.
Without you login username and password, it will some bad, ugly pictures it will come. It's come. Yeah. You are said what do you? And then before that, actually you are. Yeah. Actually in that now you are all are telling.
Internet should be banned.
That's what.
No, that's what I'm saying. If Facebook is a boy. If using Facebook, YouTube, Orkut, children can get bad things, pop type of things, then in internet, no need to go through Facebook, Gmail or anything else. Just go through the Google, search anything you want, anything, any picture, any video, anything, you will get. Then according to you, internet should be banned.
Then as per you're saying, how can we communicate with the people throughout the world without using the Facebook? You have Gmail. As you said, actually,
No, what I'm saying.
only mentioned that with yeah, actually we are just trying to use the advantage. By the time we are just
That's what I'm saying. Just see through, just see the advantage, see the good points. See the good points. We are still accepting your bad points.
bad things. Most of bad things is available.
What was your point, sir? Please. What was your point? No, I want to talk to you. Okay.
To succeed in life, you have to know about both the things, advantage and disadvantage. But you should use advantage more. That's the reason. But you are telling there is a lot of disadvantages. Yeah.
We are saying what are the bad things, so we have to take remedies to those. Okay.
Yeah, but bad thing are less amount only.
Okay.
Yeah, that's so anything. Even though you are.
Less amount, okay.
Yeah, less amount. Yeah, there is some options there.
Okay, sir. Then here our group is, and will you finish? You are in a hurry? No. New guys there. Yeah, please.
Today children are influenced by their friends. If one of the classmate has been affected by anything offense in the internet, they are spreading this through their classmates. So more of them are being influenced. So they are also trying to.
Hello. You are using aeroplane, or are you using traveling? Have you heard about aeroplane crash? Sometime it happened. Then government should ban on aeroplane.
That is accident, right? That is accident.
No, no. I think
pilot will not
involved,
right?
involved only one thing, God, except
some pop-up is
But the thing is
intentionally open the
bad
pop-up.
things is, as he said, bad things is easily influenced by kids. Easily influenced kids, okay? Not only kids, for youth also.
Oh yeah, even I'm saying that if a one guy smoke in a five friends are there, so one guy is smoking, so a guy will get influenced to it.
Correct.
He will think to smoke only. No, so
Because that is a bad thing.
so that's what.
Same thing-
So what you are saying
same
is
thing for
talking
good
to
thing
other
also.
person to be friendly is a wrong thing.
No.
Then
No, it's
if
not.
you have a good thing, you will get influenced by good thing. If you have a bad thing, it will be influenced by a bad thing.
No, if you have enough mature, if you have
Yeah, but good thing is higher percentage.
1 second. If you are already matured level, if you are already matured, we don't influence by bad things. Okay.
Fine.
The thing is,
That's what I'm talking about the children in the young age.
I'm talking about who
Adolescent.
are not matured enough to users of social networking.
If they are not matured, there is in YouTube there is a separate sign-in page for adult content. You know that?
1 second.
If you are unintentionally if you are redirecting to the adult content, it will ask for sign-in. Confirm for 18 years of age.
No, it will never ask.
Then you have not used YouTube.
Never ask for me. It never ask for me. That is for one of the sites, not for all the sites. Okay.
No, in YouTube. I'm talking about
If you
YouTube.
want, I will open n number of sites for you.
Do you think YouTube alone is a social networking site?
So how many?
Apart from that, we do have some other sites.
What and all social networking said that lead to adult content? Can you tell me? Can you tell some 5 names?
Even the children are getting signing into YouTube. Even I can say my age is above 18.
Yeah, that's what. It's up to you. It's up to your mindset.
No, if they are an influencer,
There is a bad thing.
What he is
They are
telling.
What
influencer.
social networking sites includes all the things. Like my friend said, it has the coin has 2 sides, good and bad. If you want to look at bad thing is also available because it. That's what.
That's what we are trying to.
But good thing is in a higher percentage.
Which one is more influenced? Either good or bad?
50%.
No, never. It never happened in the world. Okay.
So
If it is
how many people are using a social networking site?
It is never happened. Not only social networking. Anywhere, anything. If you get politics, everything you can take it. Only bad things is percentage will be high.
Fine.
Not social
Here,
networking.
how many
It's
of
world, if
you
you
using
take
a social networking sites?
Everyone. I think almost all the people.
Why you are using? You want to see a bad thing? You are directing by
No, we had few things.
you know that you came to know without your knowledge it's showing a bad thing. You are
Who are
leading it
smokers
in a
and
bad manner.
drinkers, they know that is not good for health. Still they are smoking and they are drinking. Why?
Why?
Right?
That's what I'm asking.
That's what I'm asking. If they banned all the cigarettes,
people
all
are
the
addicted to
cigarettes,
social networking sites.
alcohol, they cannot drink, they cannot smoke it, right?
Facebook itself, people are addicting.
There are people addicted in a good manner. I can tell you one example. Student protest.
Correct.
Student protest. How much Facebook is helping in that? How much Facebook?
Time wasting. How much person?
see, we are talking about
Is getting knowledge. Where and all the protest is happening, they're mentioning
No,
that.
Facebook, you don't get knowledge, okay? Because what?
Person affecting you.
You have to accept this.
What news? You have news channels. You have news.
Not all
Go for
over
news
this, all
channels.
the persons are affecting.
TV, then how will get?
We have live channels. NDTV live. As IBN.
Don't talk about the news. All the news are fake. All the news are fake. Whatever they tell, you believe.
Okay.
If you see Naivali, you can believe that. All the news are fake. I can easily tell
Social
that.
network is genuine then?
No, it's not genuine.
Then?
But there is a good thing. That's what I'm trying to say. It won't lead to in a bad manner.
Correct.
It's up to you how you are going to take that.
That's what we are also telling. There is a good thing. But thing is, the good thing will not influence to the people. Only bad things only influence. That's what we are trying to say.
So you are telling that it will lead the only adolescent age people in a bad manner. So matured people won't get affected.
They are correct. Mature people don't get it. So,
For that we have a moral ethics subject in our NCERT syllabus. What NCERT did.
I didn't get you. Can you come back? Come again?
If there is no bad thing in the network,
There is a bad thing here.
there is no bad thing at all. Do you think that people will go for a bad thing? Will search for a bad thing?
Why posting the automatically in bad things?
There is no bad thing at all. Then why should we go for a bad thing?
I am not telling that there is no bad thing. There is a bad thing and good thing. Bad thing is in a lesser amount.
You are
That's
you
what
are
I am
not
trying to
supposed to
say.
talk about the comments.
Indian people rated yourself 100.
Ah,
Rated yourself.
you are coming to the
Talking
point.
about the conclusion.
You are talking about the Indian people. So it's depending upon the country how much they get knowledge.
Okay.
So you are telling that Indian peoples will see only the up to your point of say if you want to rate it, how you will rate. Around the Indian population, 70% of the peoples are using in a bad manner. You are going to say that? No, no. You have a statistic report?
50%, 50%.
So you are coming from 70 to 50. You surely come from 50 to 30.
You have to accept this thing. Practically, think
Okay.
practically.
In that 50-50, which category you are in?
I'm not using social networking, so okay.
No.
This seriously I'm saying.
People are using. I'm 50-50 one.
I don't like, so only I'm not using that one.
Like it, comment.
So what about us? If it was a 50-50,
Terrorist connects is development only used in social networks.
not only used in social networks. Nowadays they are not using the social networks. No. Nowadays they are not using no. Nowadays they are not using. Huh? But nowadays they are not using. It's upgraded. Yes. If you use it, he will be caught easily. No. Still they are using satellite phones. I agree. But not social networkings.
Previously they used to, right?
No, not previously. Because
I'm also using it.
we can't say everything in Facebook.
I'm also using secret one.
No, not I think you think about only Facebook is not a social network. You have LinkedIn, you have Skype, there are lot of things. You still blame Facebook only.
You are talking about the good things, then obviously I will talk about the bad thing, right? I should not go with you, right? Talking all the good things.
No. We are insisting.
They
are also telling that. They are having.
Actually, we are not supposed to talk about the conclusion. I think who is there to talk about the conclusion?
No, it's not a conclusion.
Hey. Just talk about good things.
You have to accept the good points.
But you are not accepting our valid point.
I'm not saying that.
So, hello. Can I conclude? Okay. Even though the Facebook also having some good manners, YouTube, without your permission, you can't get any adult videos. If you want to play, you have to get.
Child have to know.
No, child is leave child. It's a very negligible because child can do anything. If not only in social networking.
Future will affect now.
No. You have to take care. Why you allow them? It's a age.
We cannot secure our kids, man. We can't watch, we can't monitor our children. Okay? They go to their friend's house, they go to browsing center, they can do whatever they
That's
want.
why I'm saying you people need to talk to your children which to concentrate and which to not use.
For kids, see.
Do you know all the browsing centers are
Okay.
Our children will get to know about the bad things. At least by this way.
See, the bad thing they can get to know. See, good thing they will not.
No, actually.
Take any surveys. Sit and kids there all day. Ask them. There are many good things, many bad things. Bad things easily will attract. Okay.
No, actually, that's not the
for
thing.
you and me also to matter. Okay. That we have to accept it.
The children who are not using an internet,
No.
they don't have idea about a bad thing.
The bad thing that will be different ways. Okay.
That's what.
That will be different ways. Then this will be more effective than the media is more effective than the online browsing and more effective.
Social networking is not a media.
Online I'm talking about.
Let me see what point.
I will talk about the disadvantage only. That's what.
As you continuously telling that the children, it will affect children. But nowadays NCERT introduced a subject called moral ethics in the third or fourth class. I am not sure about which class, but it is in the basic level. So what they will teach us how to behave, how to use your good things, bad things, what is going on in your society, the rape is going on. So in that subject, everything will tell by the teachers how to introduce yourself as a good person. So our government is doing work in this field also, that children should not be destroyed in this manner. So we are getting some good points here.
Actually, that subject, as you said, I'm honor of that.
Whatever you said, right? Actually, none of them are aware of that. Okay.
No, but you should be aware about that. Who should be aware of that?
Who should means? How can you be aware of that? How can?
So maybe it.
No, actually, I want to give some points. In all your side, if you go to another side, everything, it will ask age above 18. If you are doing no, if you are accepting this only, they will go inside. But it's only one thing.
Curious to know what is happening.
Yes.
If something is
No.
in the AC, right? The kids will curious to know what is happening. That
Yes.
Obviously, they will put the razor like a 10 to 20.
No, actually, this is not fault of the social network. It's attitude issues. LinkedIn with the
Dear folks, we had a very good discussion. It's a lively discussion. Whether the social networking is good or bad. One set of people have spoken for, it's good. And one set of people have spoken against. So coming to the concluding point, is it good or bad? Imagine the worst things happen in this world. World War I, World War II. We don't know what was happening over there in European countries. Hiroshima, Nagasaki was bombarded. One side of the world was burning. Jews were murdered. We just came to know after some days, and we just came to know through hearsay or through radio. But now, you see, Twin Towers, when it was damaged, grounded, we were able to see, we are able to say our opinion. What has happened in Syria? What's happening in Syria, in fact? What has happened in Libya? Gaddafi. What has happened in Egypt? Mubarak. How come the people were able to revolutionize themselves? The message was passed to one to other through Facebook, through Orkut. And the fight against the dictatorship has happened. What has happened in Anna Hazare's agitation against corruption? The people were able to convey the message. Immediately they were able to assemble in one place and fight against the evil. The rape victim and her death, what has brought the students, youngsters, people, irrespective of caste, religion, to assemble in Delhi and fight and shout and express their agony. Recently one thing has happened in Sri Lanka. The LTT leader, Mr. Prabhakaran's son, he was shot dead. And the photograph was released recently and it was passed to various people. And in Tamil Nadu, what's happening, you see, all the schools and colleges have been closed. Students are voluntarily coming there and they are just expressing their not only anger, their what is it? As a human being, they're just saying 40,000 people have been killed. 40,000 people. And what is the government of America is going to do? What our Indian government is going to do? So they're collecting the lot many information and sending the message that they are together in the fight against evil. Facebook, Orkut, Skype, is it good or bad? Sex is considered to be one's mystery, but it is demystified by going through the YouTube. Medicine, operation, you don't know. By just pressing YouTube, you can see all the heart operations, eye operations. Through YouTube, anything in the world. Through Facebook community, you can join together, express thoughts. Of course, there are negative things like terrorists joining together, having a network, world-full network. They can bombard anywhere, any part of the world, because the communication is made very simple through Facebook. Plus and minus are there. Plus and minus are there. It depends upon the people. How do they use? So, Facebook. It relates you with other human being. Here caste doesn't come, religion doesn't come. Of course their culture is different, your culture is different. Opposite poles attract each other, isn't it? Same poles, of course, we love to be with together, but not much of thrill in having same type of people, same language speaking people, same caste, same religion. Of course, we'll be thrilled to have a friend in US or UK, one Russian or German or British, rather than having the same old friends. interlinking of various nationalities, interlinking various religious people, and human beings are one in their thought, in their actions. A universal lifestyle, a universal thought, it has been brought through Facebook. With this, let us end the discussion. I thank the leaders for cooperating with me. Thank you very much.